Black paint is known in the automotive world to be the most difficult to restore and to maintain, easily exposing all swirls, chips, and blemishes. But in this video, we'll show you the best ways to go about bringing new and sustained life to your black finish using Turtle Wax's line of products specifically engineered for black paint. A common misconception with the color black is that the paint itself is more difficult than other paints to keep clean or scratch-free, when in fact it's the exact same as other paints. The difference is simply that black doesn't allow blemishes to hide as well compared to lighter base colors. At this hard fact, we bring forth the need for stronger products specifically designed for black finishes. Did you know that Turtle Wax's vast line of black-specific products all have an infused black pigment in them? This addition helps both avoid the typical white residue that can be left by competitors' products, and it helps fill, darken, and hide reflective scratches and discolored chips, normally so easily spotted with black car paint. To start with black car care, we begin with a few of the basics. Hand washing. Though automatic car washes are fast and convenient, they tend to have contaminants passed on from car to car, easily scratching one's paint surface and over time creating a dull, spiderweb-like appearance. This is best avoided by taking the time to hand wash one's vehicle, either just by the use of buckets or with the added foaming help of a hose-attached foam sprayer. A few elements are key here, one being the use of multiple buckets, one for soap and one purely for water to rinse your wash mitt between panels of soap application. By dipping and agitating your wash mitt in a clean water-filled rinse bucket before returning it to the soap bucket and your car, you vastly decrease the chance that dirt removed from the car can either contaminate your clean soap concentrate and/or be carried back to the surface of your car, easily scratching the paint if too diluted. The next recommended wash elements are a bit more simple and are as follows. Adopt a consistent cleaning and waxing regimen, not allowing contaminants to sit on the surface too long while keeping your protective wax layer fortified and spot cleaning any sudden stains like bugs or bird droppings. Also avoid working with black paint in direct sunlight. When washing, always rinse and wash the car from top to bottom, as old wash water and dirt rinse down the car. And simply always use freshly cleaned washing materials. For example, rinsed and clean buckets, fresh water, and washed and unused microfiber wash mitts and towels. Staying contaminant-free is key in not introducing new blemishes to your paint. From here, it's time to assess what level of need your paint is in. For finishes that have tired, faded, or contaminated paint, an easy-to-use all-in-one correction kit is the Turtle Wax Black Box Finish Kit. This kit includes everything needed to renew fading black and dark gray cars: pre-wax cleaner and conditioner, black carnauba wax, black spray detailer, and applicators. After use, your vehicle's faded shine will be replenished and protected with a mirror-like finish. And for heavier scratches and blemishes, there's also Turtle Wax Color Magic Black Polish. With added polishing agents to correct scratches and swirls, Color Magic Black deepens shine and adds reflection to enhance your gloss and color depth at the base of your paint's finish. For a finish that isn't so bad or that just needs its weekly protection, products like the all-new Ice Black Polish or Jet Black Spray Wax are made for the job. Each product's ultra-durable formula provides protection from harmful UV rays, while cleaning and filling minor scratches and swirls to enhance your car's appearance. With each spray, you'll obtain the deepest, richest, mirror-like shine with their industry-leading black-tinted formula, while also adding protection to your car. And if also black, these can also be used on wheels. In the end, what black paint car care really comes down to is a heightened level of maintenance. With the added practice of true contamination control, a consistent regimen, and the use of products engineered specifically for black paint, one can be on their way to all that black paint has to offer, as no other paint finish makes vehicles look more luxurious, intimidating, mysterious, or even attractive. Check the video's description for more product information, including where to purchase all of Turtle Wax's line of black car care products. And for more helpful tips and videos on how to care for your black paint in all areas of your car, subscribe, visit turtlewax.com, or watch other videos in this playlist.